Magigiting at maginoo sa kapwa-tao ay respeto. Buong pusong naglilingkod, tagapagtanggol ng lahing Pilipino. Laging maaasahan ng gobyerno, handang tumulong kahit kanino. We are the Guardians, together we are strong. We stand as one for the nation. We will fight, we will conquer, we will win. For liberty, unity, peace and progress.